I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic electrical and connection facts so you avoid chasing phantom problems. First, make sure the headset has charge or is powered on. A low battery can disable one driver in some models. Once done, plug the headset into a different device or use a verified cable. This isolates your phone or PC versus the headset. While you're swapping, look closely at the jack and plug. Lint, corrosion, or a bent pin often causes one-side failure and is simple to spot. Next, you dive into software because many one-side issues are configuration or driver-related. Open the audio mixer and confirm balance is centered. Moving the slider will immediately show if software is the culprit. Make sure the output device is correct and update or reinstall the sound drivers, or run the headset firmware updater if available. Also toggle mono versus stereo and disable audio enhancements or exclusive apps. These settings can route audio improperly. If you change drivers, reboot and test again to apply settings. Finally, you perform physical repair and confirm resolution. With power off, gently flex the cable near the connectors while testing sound to find a break. If you hear intermittent audio, that section likely needs repair or replacement. If accessible, open the ear cup and reseat or resolder any loose wires at the driver. Small cold joints often cause single-side loss. Once repaired, test on multiple devices and both wired and wireless modes if the problem persists. One key troubleshooting tip is to swap in a known good driver unit to isolate speaker failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.